guys, this is part 5. Okay, because my video stopped, so sorry I didn't say bye. That last one, it wasn't my fault. The video just stopped. And it made me so sad when I came back to replay the video. To play the video so I can talk to y'all, make a lot more. Because this stuff, guys, believe it or not, this stuff is like the best. Oh, this was my watery glue. Okay, I mixed the two together, but the nail polish slime did work. Successfully made it through. It passed the test to come into my laboratory. If it didn't, I would throw it away or give it to my friends. They would want it. There we go, guys. So I'm going to add the smallest bit of glitter. But I didn't really add a lot of glitter, guys, because I just want this one to be unique. Guys, the white jiggly slime, sort of worked, but not really. So I'm going to actually try next with these, with the glitter glues. Half a teaspoon. Guys, when it stops sticking to your ball, remember, start kneading unless it still feels like glue. Guys, there's like a weird glare on my face and on my workstation. Okay. Knead it, Lola. Feels so cool. Guys, like, no joke, I love slime. Like, I'm obsessed. I will never stop making it because it's so awesome. And after you let it sit, it will get less stringy if it's stringy. That's with my experience. It will get less stringy. But it will get a little bit less sticky too. So yeah. Guys, which color do you think I should do? I have like slime all over my hands. So I think I want to do... There's so many choices. I'm like, what color? I'm literally over here chanting to myself. What color do I want? What color do I want? You can't hear that. So I chose orange. I'm gonna fix this. I'm actually going to try to unscrew this lid. And I might do a little bit of blue. Perfect. This is exactly like their regular glue in big bottles, but this came in a 10-pack, and the bottles were $4, and these were $4. So we decided that sorry guys for that in the background. can probably barely hear it. So guys, it's just turning out orange, sparkly. It's not even formed yet. So I just add a little sploosh of it, and it's probably going to be ready. Guys, okay. So if you get this 10-pack, it works for slime, guys. If you get it for like a craft and you still have like a lot left over, you have borax, but you cannot find Elmer's glue. That's my problem. I can never, ever find Elmer's glue. They have glue all about me. That's it. Whoa. How many are you getting? I just wouldn't get unsticky. It's just very, very sticky. Till I went to this one more. And I found it. And so my problem was solved, and I was so happy. So I'm just gonna mix this with this, which has the baby blue and the brown. Or not the baby blue, but the nail polish and the brown. So guys, all slime is amazing, but I don't know. My dad was gonna go to Staples for me today and a craft store because I need a lot of glue, because a lot of people want slime. Baby blue. Guys, baby blue is just so awesome. Guys, do you like the baby blue color? Sorry, guys. Oh, guys. Guys, if you haven't already, you need to subscribe. As y'all probably thought, I was about to say, if you haven't already, you need to subscribe. No, I really said, if you haven't already, you need to make slime, guys, because slime is amazing. Slime is awesome. But still, if you haven't already, please subscribe, because that gets you notified, and hit the bell. If you've already subscribed but you haven't hit the bell because that gets you notified about every time I make a new video. And if you just like the poking, that's called ASMR. So I will probably do some ASMR if you like ASMR. I can start doing a little bit of that. But right now, at the end of this video, I am going to do some actual ASMR. So it's just like splashing around. background noise. Dad. See. Just I like to knead until guys. Once you get your thing done, you just need to knead, get it, and play with it. I'm over here on the side playing with all my other slimes because I just sat them to the side. You can see it. Slime is so amazing. Slime is so amazing. So, in this video, I used 2. Wait. And 1/4 bottles of glue. But that did make this slime, this slime, this slime, this slime, this slime, and the huge one. So guys, I need to clean this up. Daddy, what time is it? Daddy, what time is it?
5:15.
5:15?
Yeah.
When are you gonna order the pizza? And some of this was with the help of my pack of Elmer's glitter glue. Because glitter glue is awesome, guys. Let this pressure get me excited. So bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And comment down below. Wait, no! The video's not over yet. I didn't do any ASMR yet. So that's about to happen. And guys, if you don't know what ASMR is, it's the little pokey pokes that people do. Like, I'm one of those people, because I like the sound of the pokey pokes also. Borax, water, borax and borax water. Okay, guys. I'm going to do a little bit of ASMR each one. So all the glues need to go to the side. Okay, guys. First, this is my jiggly slime. My jiggly white glue slime. Sorry about my dirty hand. Guys, my fingertip is clean. Still clean. Still clean. So, yeah. I think the computer's up in Charlie's room. So, this one I have no clue what I'm going to call it. Probably going to be, I don't know. What's going to be called? I know, guys, this one looks like fluffy slime, but it doesn't have the texture of fluffy slime. So I'm going to start with this one. This one's actually pretty small, so it's sort of hard to do ASMR with it, so that's the end of that one. This one is brown and orange and blue and all those colors, guys. So, now, probably can't hear the poking on this one. It doesn't really poke because it's small. This one is Baby Blue Junior. Baby Blue Junior. But I didn't add any. I just added blue glitter. This one's pretty small too. Next is brown and blue, guys. It's Christmas. Gosh, why is it sticking? Here we go. Next is one that I made last, I think. It's actually sort of small. Okay, last but not least, the first slime that I made today, Baby Blue. This one. Out of them all should do the best at poking. Because it's giant, guys. I mean, why wouldn't it be? I have a slime that I did not make today that is upstairs that I really want to show you. So, if I snap my fingers, I'll have it. Okay, guys, I have it. This was sort of a failed attempt, not really a failed attempt at jiggly slime, but it turned out super watery. So, just gonna, but it's a lot jigglier than the other one that I made, but it's a lot stickier. See, guys? It's like sticking. Sorry if you hear those boys upstairs. It's my brother and his friend. And it looks like pure glitter. Like clear. It's sort of like transparent slime because you can literally see through this thing. Doesn't that sort of sound like water? Guys, I need to check my subscriber count. Daddy!
What?
Where's your phone?
What?
Can I borrow your phone real quick?
No.
Okay, guys.
You're done with videos for the day.
Okay. See how transparent it is? Oh, this was the jiggly slime. compare it to this one. Wait. Let me hold and go stop. I think it works a lot better with glitter glue. Guys, so you can find all these ingredients to make slime at Walmart, maybe Target. I know where you can find. I know where you can find borax, and that is at. Does this make my lips look bigger? That is at Walmart. So it was on the bottom shelf at the Walmart that I was at. Or if you go to my school, live in my neighborhood, something like that, or are really good YouTube friends with me and I know your address, know where you live, girl, all that stuff, I can send you a slime package, and for one of the extras I can put borax, because for my friends I put her in some borax so she can make her own slime now. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Hush! Guys, comment down below some questions. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please give a big thumbs up if you did. Like, subscribe, comment. Go watch my jumping on the trampoline. Part 1. I don't even think I have it out of part 2 yet. Because that will give you more information on why I need 20 subscribers. So yeah. And guys, literally, it looks like you spilled glue on your table when it's just a little bit. You're like, oh no, did I spill glue on my table? And then you try to like wipe it up, and it's just like, it just like finds into it. It's so awesome, guys. Like, it's super transparent. Like, if y'all could see it on the table, it just looks super good to y'all. So subscribe, like, comment, share for more videos. I don't know how often I post. I don't know how much I post. Damn, guys, I really don't know how much I post. I'm a mess. But whatever. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you later. Bye. Baby Blue. So Lola, out. Sorry. Did it again.